Hello there, welcome to JAZDRAFT. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use the frame tool. You can find the frame tool on this, which is this one. Click on this. It is the only tool on this on this area. As you can see, when you hover over it, it will show an overview on how you can use it. There are two types of frame tool, which is the square and the circle. We are going to illustrate the square first. So click on this and create a square. Click and drag and drop. Now what you can do with the frame, it will create this. You can move also by dragging it wherever you want, or you can resize it. Let's say once you create a frame tool, it will create a layer with an empty box here. There's still not yet image there. What we can do, we can drag it. Let's say I want to drag this image and drag it there. What it will do, it will insert that image into that blank layer or blank layer. What you can do with that, you can transform the image inside that box, inside this box, by double clicking on it. Double click. Once it gray out the border, that means you can move the image or resize the image. You can resize the image by pressing Ctrl T, or check on that. You can go to Edit, under Edit, Transform. So you can transform, then you can click on these individual corners to resize it, or stretch it this way. You can resize this way. Once you finalize, you can click check or press enter. So in order to go back to the frame, double click on it, or you can just, let's say I'm on the gray. If the border grays out, that means you are dealing with the image or the image inside the frame tool. If you double click again, you are dealing with the frame tool, so you can move around or transform this. You can make the image bigger now, or you can transform the frame tool. You can transform the frame. If you are in the gray border, and if you double click, it will make it blue. So that means you are dealing with the frame. If you are on gray, you are dealing with the content inside it. So that's square frame tool. Now we are going to use the circle frame tool. So let's create another workspace and drag this picture into this, and it will create a new workspace. Now we are going to illustrate the circle frame tool. We are going to use same as the overview. We are going to make same as the overview. Click on the circle. Then you can hold shift to resize the frame tool proportionally, or you can reduce it. You can resize it. Click the frame. Let's say like this. Now we are going to drag the other image, which is this latte. I want to make this coffee into latte, so drag this to the frame. And since you are in the gray border, that means you can move that image. In order to resize that, you can press Ctrl T to transform the image and resize. Hold Alt and click on this corner and drag the image. So the latte will be just there. You can move it here and click check. Then click the move tool and click on the outside. As you can see, we changed it into latte. So what you can do also with the image in this layer, since if you want to delete the image, you can select this and press delete. You can delete the image, revert it back, Control Z. You can delete the image. You can also drag it here and delete it. So that's one way you can delete the image. Let's say you have the image first and you created a frame. What you can do, you can drag this image to that box and move it, reposition it, press Ctrl T to transform, and reposition it. So you can drag that way. You can drag from the outside of the frame and add it here. So that's frame tool in Photoshop. I hope this video tutorial helps you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.